you ever wondered what it's like to wake up in Europe's most magical village?
After an incredible first day in Hallstatt, we're about to experience something even more special. This village at sunrise, completely empty before the world wakes up, in total silence.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two weapons.
Good morning guys, as you can see we awoke in paradise. Let's take a morning stroll around Hallstatt. Let's go!
Also good morning from me guys. This behind me is the breakfast spot we're going to be heading after our morning stroll through the city.
Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
As always guys, getting up early really pays off. The city is completely silent and empty. It's a perfect opportunity to get the best shots and photos and really take in this beautiful city.
Out of nowhere, a loud clatter broke the magical silence. It was getting louder quickly, but somehow approaching really slowly. Coming out of this narrow alley was a little scary, but then we saw it was just a local worker starting his day, pushing his way in through the village. And that's the fascinating thing about Hallstatt. It's not a theme park where everything is polished to perfection for some tourists. It's simply a real village where people live and work that happens to be crazy beautiful. Actually, the huge amounts of tourists are becoming more and more of a problem for this village of only 700 people. Because depending on the season, there can be 12,000 tourists a day walking through these alleys. So here it is, Hallstatt's most famous photo spot. And yeah, it's already packed with tourists. We're gonna come back in a second to take some pictures, but first let's find out how big Hallstatt actually is and how far we can go. And just 5 more minutes down the path and it's literally the end of Hallstatt. The village just stops. So we turned around and headed back. So here we are back at the photo spot, and if you're hoping for that perfect picture with no one in the background, you gotta get up seriously early. But here's the twist. The sun doesn't even hit the famous church in the village until at least 1 hour after sunrise. But hey, no better view to wait, right?
As you can see, this whole place really is beautiful, but just make sure to take it in silence and respect the people who live here. Even in this early hour, there's already so many other people getting shots and videos, so make sure to come early so you get the best ones.
We also made a walk around the famous church, and this Asian guy strolled past, checked out our setup and just goes, wow. Perfect. And this right here is the famous marketplace. Usually it's packed, but right now it's completely empty. So we kept walking around the village and eventually got pretty hungry. So we made our way to our breakfast spot. And if you're interested in a whole walk, raw and uncut, make sure to check out this video we linked up here. It's a 360 tour through Hallstatt. This is the SeeCafe, a really cute and popular spot. If you want a seat here, you absolutely need a reservation, or you're gonna end up waiting for a few minutes or up to an hour. We had a literal feast here. Orange juice followed by hot chocolate, then an omelette and avocado toast, and for dessert a Sachertorte and an apple strudel. It was absolutely delicious. So this was our little Hallstatt staycation. It was absolutely amazing. It was really kind of a fairy tale experience. It absolutely has its pros, but it also has its cons, as you saw today. If you ever have the opportunity, you should come here and check it out yourself. Food was amazing, views were amazing, the whole city was amazing. It's absolutely worth a visit. We hope you enjoy your time in Hallstatt, and thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel.
Enjoy the ride and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye!